There comes a day when you must decide not to try, not to wish, but to commit to an exit. Most people spend their lives in a state of almost. They are almost serious about their debt, almost disciplined with their time, and almost committed to their family's future. They stare at the ceiling during the 2 a.m. diaper panic and say, I'll try to do better tomorrow. But life doesn't respond to need or trying. It responds to a final technical decision. There is a quiet moment when you must say enough. Enough explaining why you are stuck. And enough making excuses for a life on the back foot. Trying is just a polite way to leave the door open for quitting. It gives you a reason to stop when the workflows get complicated or the three-bucket math feels heavy. But commitment closes that door. When you say, I'll do it or die, you aren't being dramatic. You are being final. You are declaring that failure is no longer an option. It is only feedback, a data point for your next refinement. In my life, I had to decide to climb the mountain of Zoe computers while grieving for my son, or stay in the shadow of my past. I chose to climb. Success is not magic, it is predictable. It is the result of financial system installation. But discipline only shows up after you have made the decision to stop drifting. You cannot discipline a maybe or a wish. You can only discipline a decision to follow the 50-50 surplus split and build your parachute. We must all suffer from one of two pains. The pain of discipline, filling those buckets every single day, or the pain of regret, the weight of failing your children. Regret weighs tons and it lasts a lifetime. Motivation follows that first dollar. Stop waiting to feel ready or motivated. Motivation does not create commitment. Commitment, however, creates motivation. Once you decide to follow the first dollar protocol, your mind finally has a direction. The dopamine rush of that first dollar online is the proof that kills the internal debate. From that moment on, you stop asking, do I feel like it? And you start asking, what needs to be done for my legacy? You don't need more information or more time. You need a moment of truth. You need a look at your life and say, this continues no longer. From this day forward, you do the work, whether the internet is intermittent or you are sitting in a hospital bed. When the will is ready, the way appears. Say it calmly without drama, as a promise to yourself and your kids. I'll do this or I'll die. Because once you decide, the trying ends and your future, your parallel progress begins.